What's the meaning of business? Business. Business.
Business. Business. Business refers to the activities and operations carried out by an individual or an organization with the primary aim of generating income. It can include buying and selling goods or services, manufacturing products, providing professional services, and more. The result of a successful business is generally financial gain in the form of profits, which can be used to reinvest in the company or distribute among stakeholders. A successful business can also lead to job creation, economic growth, and improved quality of life for those involved. However, a poorly managed or unethical business can have negative impacts on society and the environment.